Looking to protect yourself on the road with crystal clear evidence? In 2025, dash cams have gotten smarter, sharper, and more reliable than ever. From AI-powered features to Ultra HD recording, we've rounded up the top 5 dash cams that are redefining road safety. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started.
Fifth product on our list, DDPAI N1 Dash Cam. The DDPAI N1 dual front and rear recording dash cam is built for drivers who demand clarity, day or night. With its 1296p resolution and advanced night VIS technology, every detail is captured, even in low light. Thanks to dual front and rear recording, you get complete road coverage and peace of mind. This dash cam features a wide 140 degrees viewing angle and f1.8 aperture, offering a broader, brighter field of view. No built-in screen? No problem. The DDPAI app gives users full control via their smartphone. Its discreet, portable design keeps your windshield clean and clutter-free. It supports up to 256 gigabytes of external memory and uses loop cycle recording to ensure you never miss a moment. Reliable, compact, and smart, this dash cam is ready to protect your journey every mile of the way. Fourth product on our list, LINGDU D100 Smart Dash Cam. The LINGDU D100 Smart Dash Cam is built for drivers who want sharp, reliable footage. With 2.5K resolution, it captures every detail on the road, from license plates to street signs, in stunning clarity. Its compact mini design fits discreetly on the windshield, blending smoothly into any vehicle interior. You won't even notice it until you need it. Thanks to Wi-Fi and GPS support, users can track routes and share footage quickly. Whether it's for insurance or just recording a scenic drive, everything stays connected. Driving at night? The Super Night Vision ensures low-light clarity. It handles dark roads and dim parking lots with ease. What makes it even more user-friendly is EN voice control. Just speak, and the D100 responds. No buttons, no distractions. A smart, simple way to stay safe on the road. Third product on our list, ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam. The ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam is a powerful 3-channel system designed for total road coverage. It features a 4K front camera, plus 1080p interior and rear cams, perfect for complete vehicle monitoring. Its wide 170 degrees field of view ensures maximum visibility, capturing more of every scene. Thanks to the f1.8 aperture and night vision support, low-light footage remains clear and detailed. Built-in GPS adds real-time location tracking, while Wi-Fi allows for easy file sharing and mobile access. The 3.16-inch LCD screen offers smooth playback and quick settings adjustment. Loop recording and G-sensor tech ensure crucial moments are saved automatically during sudden impacts. It also supports parking monitoring when the car is off. With up to 128 gigabytes of storage and H.265 video compression, the ANSVICAM provides high-quality footage without wasting space. Reliable, compact, and smart, this dash cam is built to protect every journey. Second product on our list, BEPOCAM ZD80 Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD80 is a powerful 3-lens dash cam built for full coverage. With 4K front, 1080p interior, and 1080p rear cameras, it captures every detail, day or night. Thanks to the f1.6 aperture and enhanced night vision, footage remains sharp even in low light. The wide 170 degrees view ensures no blind spots while driving. It features built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, allowing fast video transfers and real-time speed and location tracking. Parking monitor mode adds round-the-clock protection when the car is off. The BEPOCAM uses a supercapacitor, making it safer in extreme temperatures. Loop recording and G-sensor functions lock important moments during collisions. Supporting up to 512 gigabyte storage and controlled via the WITCAM app, it offers maximum convenience. For those needing high-resolution, full-angle recording, this dash cam delivers reliable, advanced performance. First product on our list, KAWA D8 Dash Cam. The KAWA D8 Dash Cam, a compact yet powerful dual-camera system for complete road coverage. It records crystal-clear 4K video up front and 1080p in the rear, perfect for capturing every detail. Equipped with the Sony IMX415 sensor, this dashcam delivers sharp night vision and excellent clarity in all lighting. The H.265 video coding ensures smooth footage while saving storage space. It features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing real-time tracking and easy app control via the KAWA Auto app. Plus, it supports voice control, keeping your hands on the wheel. With 24-hour parking monitoring, it keeps an eye on your vehicle around the clock. The loop recording and G-sensor ensure important events are securely saved. Durable and reliable, the KAWA D8 supports up to 256GB storage and offers peace of mind on every journey.